Hi guys, today we learn count if formula. Like we have sheet here, here is the product and here is the three product in this column like jeans, t-shirt and socks. But this product is multiple times in this column. So if you want to get the count of this product, so how will you get that? Just we have to do filter here and we have to filter out like this and click on jeans and select it and count it manually. So it's six count, but if you will do like this it will take more time. So here is count if like this, COUNT count if. Now press on tab, is asking for range, that means a column would be my range. Select the a column and give a comma, and now is asking criteria would be my jeans. Close the bracket, but we need to freeze this a column. For the further reference, just press like this, enter. So here is the six jeans. Now we need the value of t-shirt. So same, copy this formula and paste in front of t-shirt, and as well as like for socks. Now it's reflecting five t-shirt in this column. So we can do the cross check as well. Just filter out of t-shirt like this, count it is five, and here is also five. Thank you.